How are you doing? Are you ready for your next lesson? Remember last week we made the smiley face and we made all these lovely little scrunchy balls out of the paper for the mouth of your smiley face. So we're going to do the same thing again this week. I'm just going to remind you of how you did it. Do you remember you tore a piece of paper like that, and then you tore it in a smaller piece, okay? And then you made a scrunchie. Remember, with those 3 fingers, you rolled it up into a little ball, okay? Remember, not on your body, not on your table, not with 2 hands, just with these 3 fingers, okay? You're also going to need a container. I've got a lovely little bowl here that the kitty food came in, so it's got a lovely little kitty face, but you can use any bowl you've got, okay? And you're going to need a peg. And I want you to take this peg and I want you to draw 1 dot on the one side and 2 dots on the other side, okay? Then when you hold the peg, you put your thumb on the 1 dot, your other 2 fingers on the 2 dots. That's just to remind you. And then remember, when you're cutting, like a crocodile, open, closed, open, closed. You're going to do the same with the peg. Okay, so you're going to pick up whoever's helping you, your mom or your gran or your brother. You ask them to give you a number. So if they say 4, then you pick up 4 pieces of paper and you put them in your container. 1, 2, 3, 4, because now you're giving your food to your kitty. You've got to give him all the food, okay? What about another 3? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now how many we've got left? We've got 2 left, so we put those 2 in and our bowl is full. Then if you want to, you can take them all out and see how many there were all together. Okay, so that you can do later. Then you can also use, in this container, I've got beans. Beans like your mom puts in the soup. Okay, now with these, you're going to also need an egg box. And then what you do is you ask your mom to write the numbers in the egg box, okay? So in here we've got a 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, and a 7. Okay, so where you see the number, then you put the beans in there, okay? So I want you to take the beans. I want you to take a few in your hand, okay? And I want you to move them down your finger until you're holding them between those 2 fingers. Okay, so not out the side and not out the bottom, between those 2 fingers. Okay, so the first hole says 1, so we put in 1. Okay, the next one says 2. Move them down to the end. 1, 2. Okay. And the next one, we take another handful of beans. Take quite a few. You can get quite a few in your hand. My hand's bigger. You've got a little hand, but you can still take quite a few. Okay, so now move them down. If one falls out, doesn't matter. Move them down to the end of your finger. Okay, what did we say this one was? We said 4. Did you remember? 4. Okay, so now we're going to put 4 in. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that is your exercise for today. So every day you can practice. You can get a new egg box and put different numbers in. If you're very clever, you can put big numbers like 12 or 13 or 15, and then you can see if you can get the right number of beans in there. Okie dokie, see you next time. Bye.